Tron is an open-source decentralized content entertainment protocol based on blockchain. With Tron's features, there are many platforms for staking mining. As a new staking model, mining will lead the market. With the explosive development of the cryptocurrency industry, the digital asset pledge/trading platform has developed into the most important part of the blockchain industry. They support growing market trading needs and connect primary and secondary markets for all market participants from venture capital to institutional and retail investors. The recent development and expansion of the blockchain ecosystem has ushered in a new era of distributed autonomous economies that go beyond the traditional economic forms of capitalism and socialism. Headquartered in the UK, BF Financial started in July 2021. Until now, the team has expanded hundreds of times and invested more equipment and research and development, and now the BF Financial branch is located in Hong Kong. Company is based on a professional team and has successively obtained millions of dollars in node capital investment. BFC has been adhering to the concept of convenient mining since its establishment, covering both B-side and C-side users. Services mainly include one-station mining service, mining machine service, complete mining solution Fangmar convenient for users mining pool services. BFC has secured a deal for its mining pool in North China Neblock area. Team construction of mining facilities will be overseen. Recruitment will also be relevant line industry experience a population interline, worldwide circulation. Virtual currency is managed on any computer connected to the internet. Anyone can mine, buy, sell or receive Bitcoin, no matter where they are. Exclusive ownership. Manipulating Bitcoin requires a private key, which can be kept in isolation on any storage medium. No one can get it except the user himself. No hidden costs. As a means of payment from A to B, Bitcoin does not have cumbersome quotas and procedures, and you can pay by knowing the virtual currency address of the other party. In October 2013, the world's first virtual currency ATM was opened in Vancouver, Canada, for the exchange of Canadian dollars and virtual currency. Ordinary people have gradually become interested in cryptocurrencies, and as the times change, more investors are optimistic about virtual currencies. Mining has established several strategic partnerships with experienced companies and industry professionals. Ratio Special Beglue is the mining core film. The leader. Mining is the champion of mining, owns many proprietary technologies, farm management and operation patents. BFC Mining will be able to give priority to the newly released product. Mining proposes a blockchain technology-based decentralization hardware mining pool, providing investors with an open, fair, accessible, and transparent mining pool. BFC Mining is launching a high-performance trading platform that can support real-time settlement and consistent 24-hour trading operations. For operations, all transaction records should be requested to be transparent. Support API and web/h5/app access. Also, line industry experts improve the code and overall architecture design before the system goes online. Line view. Set up multi-level defense firewall. Real-time monitoring system data processing. 80% of mining rewards will be distributed to investors who deposit TRX. 16% of mining rewards will be reinvested in mining farms from Lung. In the long run, each token will allocate more hash power. You can use our BFC to exchange the corresponding currency to purchase equipment with high yield efficiency, according to statistical analysis and conservative estimates. PER 50 cents per person. The model's predictions will generate 77% annualized ROI. We have cloud mining machines, high-frequency quantitative investment. Cloud mining machines can make you more convenient and quick to operate and invest. Just by different models, we have large, medium, and small for you to choose and invest. High-frequency quantitative investment has quantitative conservatively, which is 1.0%, and the highest yield can reach 4.61%. BFC will pay income from mining operations to investors who stake TRX in the first place. These payments will be distributed monthly and sent to everyone's personal wallet from now on. Investor BFC will use operating profits to expand the mining pool. This will provide an increase in the value of the pool and TRX tokens while increasing the return on investment for all existing and early investors.